Picture this: an inexperienced hiker's face, tired and dripping in sweat from the blazing sun. He then carefully unfolds and examines his trail map, just to find no familiar surroundings in sight. But suddenly he finds hope. Reaching into his backpack, he pulls out a small device and types in some information with just a few clicks. Within just a few moments, he quickly heads off with the assurance of someone who knows exactly where he's going. So why was this hiker able to find his way again so easily? Because he made use of a remarkable device known as the GPS. But just what is this amazing system? The GPS, aka the Navstar Global Positioning System, is a satellite-based navigation system. Navstar is an acronym for Navigation Satellite Time and Ranging System. Around 24 satellites orbit high above the Earth, around 12,500 miles, or some 20,000 kilometers away. Now for a little background history lesson. The GPS was first invented by two professors, former Air Force Colonel Bradford Parkinson and engineer Ivan Getting in the early 1960s. Although it was originally developed for military use to perform satellite navigation experiments to track their submarines, it was later made available for public use in the 1980s. And it became fully operational in automobiles by 1996. Nowadays, just at the click of a button, you can find directions to any destination thanks to the GPS. The GPS can work in any weather conditions, anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, and without any charge. Ever wonder how GPS actually works though? Well, the GPS is a three-part system which consists of satellites. They're orbiting the Earth sort of like stars in a constellation and constantly looking for signals from the next system. Ground stations. They work to monitor and control satellites and also identify their location. And then there's receivers. They're constantly listening for signals from the satellites and ground stations. Receivers can be embedded in your smartphone or in a GPS device. By finding the difference in time between the signal sent from the GPS satellite to the time the receiver reads it, the distance between the two can be calculated and your location can be found. We can use GPS receivers to help us determine our precise location using latitude and longitude coordinates anywhere on Earth. Besides helping people reach destinations, there are other uses for GPS tracking as well. For example, GPS tags have been well used to track and tag various sea reptiles and fish, which allows scientists to learn more about their specific movements and habits. And by collecting this data, they can create better strategies that can improve conservation for animals. The GPS can also serve as a great anti-theft device. By installing it in your vehicle, you can track and locate it in case of theft. Another big benefit is that you can use it to keep an eye on your elderly loved ones. There are countless types of devices you can add into the clothes or footwear of the elderly in order to track them in case they get lost or disoriented. What began as a way to track submarines quickly became a resourceful technology. Today, it's truly become impossible to get lost, no matter how hard you try. Walking with a smartphone in your pocket, you'll always have access to a GPS with your exact location, no matter where you go. So go on lots of adventures, get lost in nature, and always make sure to bring your GPS with you.